There is many scam. Yes, if you have crypto, so you must save your from scammer. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Trust Wallet, and we will cover three topics. The number one is that how we can change the currency from Trust Wallet. The second number is how we can connect over Trust Wallet with customer supports. Yes, you can easily connect your wallet with customer supports if you face any problem regarding your Trust Wallets. And third number is how we can find the trending coins in your Trust Wallets. So all information I will give you in this video. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So as you can see here, right top corner, I have my Trust Wallet. First of all, I'm going to log in my wallet, and after that, I will discuss all related topics. First, I enter my password here, and then click on full screen. Yes, my wallet is shown in front of me. You can see here my Trust Wallet is open in front of me. First, we are going to discuss about how we can connect our Trust Wallet with sports. Yes. Second, how we can check the trending tokens, or third is how we can change the currency. So first I need to discuss about change the currency. You can see here right top corner the setting button shown here, where you can easily change your currency according to your country. Simple click on it, and after that there is option available here. You can see here your currency option available here. You just simple click on it, and then you can see here many currencies is available here. By default select US dollar, and you can set your currency like a Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and also other pairs. Many pairs available here. Let's suppose I want to change my currency in Bitcoin. So when I will watch my all balance, so balance will be shown in front of me in Bitcoin currency. So you can change your currency from this option. I hope you properly understand. So now we are going to covering second topics, that is how we can find that trending coin in Trust Wallet. Simple is that you can see here there is bottom home button, the second button is trending, third is swap. I already discussed about swap, but today we are going to discuss trending. Simple is that I just simple click on it, and then you can see here there is all trending coins available here. All trending coins available here. All information about that coin, Shiba Inu, and also market cap shown here, and total price move in 24 hours. You can change from this list. Hot coin, Solana ecosystem, gaming, AI coin, Binance Alpha token. Let's suppose you want to check the trending coin of AI. Simple click on it. Then you can see here all AI coins shown in this area. All trending on. Let's suppose you want to click on it. So all information shown in front of you about this coin. And if you need to check hot coin, simple click on it. So the hot, the number first is Ethereum, BNB, WBTC, Link, Shiba. Many coins available here. Also you can change the time, 24 hours, 7 days. If I'm going to click on 7 days, so all coins shown here. And you can also change the network, all network, Arbitrum, Aurora. It's depend on you. You can easily check trending coin in Trust Wallet from this option. Now we are going to cover last topic and very informative topic, how we can connect that Trust Wallet support. So simple and easy. There's two options available here. First, you can connect your Trust Wallet with robotic system, robotic chat, and after that you can also connect your wallet with other. Simple click on it, going to click on setting button, go to the down seek bar. Yeah, you can see here there's shown help and support button. Simple click on it, then support and help center. So you can use both scenario. First I am going to click on help center. Now waiting for this, and you can also use second option. Now you can see here help center is open in front of me. You can search any FAQs type here, and you can also connect ask over a bot, or you can also get priority support. You can connect your wallet. Let's suppose I want to connect my wallet. Simple click on it. Trust wallet. Yes, I want to connect my trust wallet. Simple as that. Now my trust wallet is going to open in front of me, and now all information here without you are going to with you are going to connect your trust wallet with support connect. Now my wallet is action required. You can see here my wallet is connected, and get TWT, or you can ask over chat report. It's depend on you. Let's suppose you want to chat with ask report, or you want to chat with get TWT. It's depend on you. Log 50 TWT required. If you want to directly chat with Trust Wallet support team, so you must have 50 TWT in your wallet. Otherwise, you can't do this. And if you want to chat with report, simple click on it, and there verify your human. Verify. Select the triangle below. Triangle, and then now verify. So you can see here chat support is going to open in front of you. It's maybe take some time. After that you can connect and you ask any question about regarding to your wallet. Let's suppose you face a problem with depositing or withdrawal all amounts. Again, chat report is open in front of you. So you type, or you can discuss any problem with this chat report. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how you can change the currency. Second is how we can find the trending coin, and third is how we can connect our trust wallet with the customer support or help support. It's all information I gave to in this video. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.